Reserva Conchal. 5 bedrooms, spectacular ocean views. This is the house that you've been waiting for. You've been with me for years. You've seen all of my videos. And I know in some of my videos, I have told you that we were going to see the most amazing house that you can imagine. Well, forget about those and think about this. This is Reserva Conchal, 5 bedrooms, spectacular ocean views. This is the best house that I have ever featured. Come on and let's take a look. So we're here in the middle of the day. Obviously, it's not sunset, but we want to show it to you right now. And then what we're going to do is, by the power of magic, sunset. Look at that view. Isn't that incredible? You could live here. You could have your dinner here. You can have your coffee in the morning here with that view.